Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We want to find the area under the curve. So we have the function in here. Y equals to number 0 and S equals to number 2. So we need to wrap about y equals to the square root of s. So the graph of y equals to the square root of s, that should be like this. So y equals to number 0, that should be like this. And s equal to number 2, that should be like this. So the area we need to find, that should be about this one. And now we can set up about the integral. We have the integration from 0 to number 2, and this one is about y equals to the square root of s, and this one is about y equals to number 0. So this is about upper, this one is about lower. So upper will go first, minus lower. So we have the square root of s minus 0 ds. And now we need to find this one. The square root of s, that's about s to the power of 1 over 2 ds. So we have the formula in here. The integration of s to the power of n ds. We have s to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1. And we put about c. So this one we have s to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 1 over 2 plus 1. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 2. So after that, we can put number 2 cone here and number 0 cone here. So 1 over 2 plus 1, I will write into 3 over 2. This one is about 3 over 2. So if I put number 0 cone here, you got about 0. So the answer for this one, that's this number in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.